Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome to Office 365 Concepts. This is the third video of this series where we are talking about Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, MFCMAPI, and Calendar Checking Tool. If you're watching this series from the beginning, in last two videos we have discussed what is Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool, what are the system requirements for this tool, how to download and install Support and Recovery Assistant. I have discussed all the available scenarios within this tool. We have discussed what sort of issues you can fix using Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. We have talked about advanced diagnostic logs, and I have shown you how to collect and analyze advanced diagnostic logs. In this particular video, we are going to talk about MFCMAPI. I have divided this video in three sessions. In this particular session, we will discuss what is MFCMAPI, what we can achieve using MFCMAPI tool, and we will discuss few use case scenarios where we can use MFCMAPI tool. I will demonstrate you how to delete emails from a folder using MFCMAPI, how to delete a folder of your mailbox, how to hide or unhide a folder of your mailbox using MFCMAPI, and how to rename a folder using this tool. MFCMAPI tool works on MAPI and EWS protocols. It provides access to MAPI store so that you can investigate and troubleshoot Exchange and Outlook related issues. MFCMAPI is a powerful tool that gives you the access to the actual structure of the Exchange mailbox. With the help of this tool, you can see all the folders of your mailbox, including the hidden folders. Those are not visible from Outlook, OWA, or even in PowerShell. Using this tool, you can delete folders of your mailbox, you can delete emails, you can troubleshoot inbox rule issues, public folder rules issues, you can troubleshoot out of office issues, you can rename a folder that you can't do from Outlook or OWA, you can delete emails from the hidden folders of your mailbox, and even you can troubleshoot retention policy issues as well. MFCMAPI tool can be used by the administrators or by the end users. But you need to run this tool on the affected machine. That means on the machine where you are facing the issue. And before you use this tool, make sure your account is configured within Outlook client. If it is not configured already, you can configure your Outlook profile using this tool as well. So to download this tool, you need to go to browser. I have already downloaded this tool on my system, but still let me show you how to download this. So in browser, you will type download MFCMAPI tool. You will see the link, that is github.com link. Click on this link. Now before you download MFCMAPI tool, you need to first check what bit version of Outlook client you are using, because there are two versions of MFCMAPI. One is 32-bit and the second one is 64-bit. So first go to Outlook client, go to File, Office Account, About Outlook, and here you will see the bit version of Outlook. I'm using 32-bit, so I need to download 32-bit version of MFCMAPI tool. If I'm using 64-bit Outlook version, in that case, I need to download 64-bit MFCMAPI, else I will not be able to run this tool on this machine. So you need to click on this link. This will download one file that you need to extract. And once you will extract, you will get this application. So double click on this application, and this is MFCMAPI tool interface. Let me maximize this. Now, if you do not know how to use MFCMAPI, please do not make any changes to your mailbox using this tool. Because as I said, this tool will give you the access of the entire mailbox structure, the raw data of your mailbox. And whatever changes you do within your mailbox using this tool, these changes are synchronized back to the mailbox. And if you delete anything from your mailbox using this tool, it will be difficult to recover those items or even the folders. So if you are not familiar with this tool, please do not use it in production environment. So once this application is downloaded, extract the folder. And here you will see MFCMAPI application. Double click on this tool. Now the first thing that you need to do is go to tools, go to options, scroll it down and make sure MDB underscore online and MAPI underscore no underscore cache, these two options are selected so that this tool can connect with your mailbox and provides you the access to the mailbox structure. So check these two options and then click OK. Let me do it full screen. Now the second step is you need to load your Outlook profile within this tool. And for that you will go to session, log on, and here you will see your Outlook profile. If you have multiple profiles configured in Outlook client, in that case, you need to click on this drop down and this will give you the list of all the profiles that you have in your Outlook client. So I have only one profile, so I'll select the profile and then click OK. Now this tool has loaded my mailbox. This is the email address that I'm using in my Outlook client, concept@office365concepts.com. So this is my email address. Now to open the mailbox, what you need to do, double click on this email address. Now this will open root container. Under root container, scroll it down and go to top of information store. Expand top of information store. And here you will see your mailbox structure. You will see all the folders. You can see the calendar, contacts. You can see all the folders of your mailbox like drafts, deleted items, files, inbox, journal, junk email. You will see the entire mailbox structure in this tool. So now let's discuss few use case scenarios and let me show you how to use MFCMAPI tool. So the first scenario that we're going to discuss is how to delete emails from a folder using MFCMAPI tool. Let's say I have few emails in my inbox folder that I want to delete, and let's assume for any reason I'm not able to delete certain emails from my inbox folder or from any other folder, and I'm not able to delete them from OWA or even in Outlook client. So in that case, I will use MFCMAPI. Make sure you have expanded root container and you are inside top of information store. Now I want to delete emails from inbox folder. So right click on inbox, first select inbox, right click and click open contents table. This will open another screen. Now here you will see all the emails. This is the subject, from, to, and you can see all the other details like receive date, submitted date, what is the type of the content, size of the email. So these are the emails, those are available in my Outlook client. And I want to delete these emails. So if you want to delete this particular email, select the email, right click, and then click delete message. From here, select hard delete, that is unrecoverable. If I delete this email, I will not be able to recover it. So select the option, hard delete, and then click OK. Now the test 10 is deleted from my mailbox and it should be deleted from here as well. I do not see test 10 email, so that is gone. Now this is how you delete email, but let's say I want to delete everything from inbox folder. I want to delete all the emails at one go. So I'll right click on the folder and then I'll go to advanced. I'll select empty items and subfolders from the folder. So now this will delete everything that is inside inbox, including the emails and including the subfolders if I have any inside inbox folder. Now again, you can select the option. If you want to delete it permanently, select hard deletion and then click OK. This will delete all the emails from inbox, including the subfolders if you have created any inside inbox folder. So let's move towards the second scenario. In second scenario, we will delete a folder. Let's say you received a request from client that when he's trying to delete a folder from his mailbox using Outlook or OWA, the delete button is grayed out. Or let's say when he's trying to delete a calendar from Outlook or OWA, the delete option is grayed out. I'm sure you must have came across this scenario. So in this scenario, you can use MFCMAPI tool to delete the folder or the calendar. So let's go to Outlook client and let me create a subfolder inside inbox. I'll give it a name test1. Let's create one more with name test2. So now I have two subfolders inside inbox folder, and let's go to calendar and let me create a new calendar. So not calendar group, I'll create new calendar and I'll give it a name test calendar. Click OK. Now let's say I have this test calendar in my Outlook client and in OWA. Obviously, this test calendar will now synchronize with my OWA as well. So whenever I'm trying to delete this, when I right click, this delete calendar option is grayed out. Or when I go to inbox folder, if I try to delete test1 subfolder, the delete folder option is grayed out. We usually come across this scenario. So in this case, we can use MFCMAPI tool. Now let's go back to MFCMAPI. I need to refresh MFCMAPI. So I'll simply double click on my mailbox again. Go to root container and go to top of information store. Go to calendar. I see test calendar here. Go to inbox. I can see test1 and test2, two subfolders as well. Now let's say I want to delete test calendar. So I'll right click on this and then I'll click delete folder. Select hard deletion and click OK. Now test calendar is deleted from MFCMAPI. Go to Outlook client. You might have to restart Outlook, but let's see. So test calendar is deleted. Same way, if you want to delete a folder, select the folder that you want to delete, right click, delete folder. Hard deletion, click OK. Folder is deleted. Let's go back to Outlook client. Okay, so now it is gone. Test1 subfolder is deleted. So this is how you use MFCMAPI tool to delete the folders or the calendars from your mailbox. In third scenario, I'm going to demonstrate you how you can hide or unhide a folder of your mailbox using MFCMAPI tool. In my Outlook client, I have a subfolder with name test2. Let's assume I want to hide this folder from my mailbox, from Outlook client and from OWA. So for this, I can use MFCMAPI tool. Make sure you have expanded root container and then expand top of information store and select the folder that you want to hide. Now on the right side where you see these many properties, these values, you need to look for a value that says PR_ATTR_hidden. Find this value, double click on this value and check Boolean. As of now, I can see this folder here, test2. Now check Boolean and click OK. I can still see the folder here in MFCMAPI. I can see this folder. Now go to Outlook. Let's refresh. Let's restart Outlook once. So now you can see this folder is gone, but we can see this folder in MFCMAPI. If I go to OWA, I will not be able to see this folder because this folder is now hidden. But in MFCMAPI, you can still see the folders, those are hidden. Now let's say I want to unhide this folder. So select the folder that you want to unhide. Find the same value, PR_ATTR_hidden. Double click on the value and uncheck Boolean. Click OK. Now let's go back to Outlook. Let's refresh it. Let me restart Outlook. So now I can see test2 folder. This folder is now visible. So this is how you can use MFCMAPI tool to hide and unhide a folder of your mailbox. Now the fourth scenario that we are going to discuss in this particular session is how to rename a folder using MFCMAPI tool. We come across many issues where we are trying to rename a folder. We right click on the folder but rename folder is grayed out or is not accessible from Outlook client as well as from OWA as well. So in that scenario, we can use MFCMAPI tool. This is very simple to rename a folder. You just need to select the folder and double click on that folder and simply type the desired value. For example, I changed it to test23. Go to Outlook. This is changed. If I want to rename this again, I'll click on this again. Make sure it is giving you this text box to enter. Enter the value. Go to Outlook. So this is changed. Test234. So this is how you can use MFCMAPI tool to rename the folder, to delete emails, to delete folder, and to hide or unhide a particular folder from your mailbox. In the next video, I will demonstrate you how to troubleshoot out-of-office issues using MFCMAPI tool, and I will show you how MFCMAPI tool can help you to view hidden folders of recover deleted items folder and how you can delete emails from these folders. So if you have learned something new from this particular video, please write in comments and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Take care.